hardly seems worthwhile to film an oncoming thunderstorm, except for we've had so few of them. We're in the middle of quite a drought, which you can probably tell from the ground, that it's worth filming. Here's our training center. This is our cottage for the dogs, our dog's house. So, a lovely thunderstorm whipping in here at the little dog farm. You can probably see and hear a bit of it now. A good one, huh guys? Well, this is Mark Goldberg about to enjoy a whole lot of rain here at ChicagoDogTrainer.com and the little dog farm.